Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple lunch, stir-fry choy sum with egg. So I have about 150 grams of choy sum, 4 chicken egg, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 3 tablespoons of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried onion, 1 stalk of spring onion. This is super simple. I'm going to start off with cutting the choy sum. For this choy sum, I have already washed and cleaned and soaked in the water for about half an hour. I'm going to cut it into two parts, the stem and also the leaf. This is a stem part. And for the leaf, I'm going to cut it slightly bigger. So we have the choy sum cut into small pieces, separated the stem part and the leaf part. Now we're going to beat the egg. So I'm going to put all the egg in the mixing bowl. We're going to put all the pepper, salt, and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of onion oil. And we're going to beat the egg. Okay, egg is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of onion oil. Just gonna wait for the oil to warm up a bit. And I'm going to put in the egg. Half of the spring onions. And half of the crispy fried onions. And we're going to give it a stir. Just continue to stir like that, so egg will form up into harden a bit. For cooking this one, I recommend to use the non-stick pan. If it's not non-stick pan, right, the egg might get stuck into the pan. When egg started to form up or harden, we're going to break it into pieces like this. Just wait for it to cook for about 20 seconds and I'm going to turn it. Egg is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan. Heat the pan again. And now I'm going to put in all the balance of the onion oil. When oil is hot, I'm going to put in the choy sum stem. Put in the light soy sauce, oyster sauce. The choy sum stem will take longer time to cook, so I'm going to just give it a stir for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now the stem is cooked and I'm going to put in the leaf. For the leaf, right, you just give it a stir for about 30 seconds or until the leaf becomes soft. This vegetable, they cook very fast, right? Now I'm going to add on the egg. That's all, stir-fry choy sum with egg. It is ready, so I'm going to switch off the heat. We have the spring onions, just going to put it in. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. This is best served with rice. Let's eat! A little bit of egg, a little bit of vegetable, rice, and a little bit of chili. Wow, very delicious. Egg is very fluffy, vegetable is crunchy, nice fragrance of the crispy fried onions with the booster of the chili oil. Eat with rice. Perfect. This combines so well. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next recipe.